What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another case review. This time we're going to be looking at two cases that I just got in from i-Blason, both from the Cosmo series, the iPad 9.7 2018 model. Let's check them out. Okay, so i-Blason is known for its phone cases, Cosmo series, nice, colorful cases. This is no exception. They have come up with the Cosmo series for the iPad Pro 9.7 edition. This is a 2018 model. Now, if you open it up, see I've not even taken the plastic off. So we got that. Gonna peel at the corner down here. It actually tells you that you're gonna separate from this edge. And then you have another piece of plastic right there. Now, since these are the exact same case, I'm not gonna try both of them on. They're gonna fit exactly the same. I'm just gonna go over this pink one right here. So once you get this peeled off, we can get all this tape off as well. Once you get this peeled off, this is what you get. You get a screen in here. Now, you know me guys, I like to actually take the screen out. So by heating this adhesive edge right around here, slightly heating with either a blow dryer or you can buy you a heat gun. But by heating that, you can just peel this screen out. But I will let you know that that will void your warranty. So if you don't want your warranty voided, do not take the plastic out. With that being said, that's my disclaimer. Let's check it out. This is gonna fit on the iPad directly. This is a nice heavy duty rubber TPU. You get the i-Blason Cosmo pattern. You get a microfiber lining over here that's gonna protect, and you get your i-Blason logo right there on the corner. There is space for your Apple Pencil right here. Back and front look really nice. Let's go ahead and try this on. So with any Cosmo casing, you're gonna just snap this onto the front of your device first. There we go. Got it all the way snapped on. Fits like a glove. And then we're just gonna drop it into our rubber backing. So nice rubber backing on here is gonna prevent against breaks. It's hard rubber edging. Camera cutout looks really good back here. Up top, headphone jack looks good. Mic is awesome. Right here, speakers and charging port all line up. Front is magnetic. It's not gonna flip. Auto sleep wake is a go. Apple Pencil fits into its slot just like it's supposed to. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you're gonna hold this, it's no magnetic clipping back here. So you're just gonna have to hold it. Folds up. Orientation number 1. You got orientation number 2. You get a typing mode. That's pretty much it. So this is the Cosmo. It comes in this pink color. You can get this blue color. So go by and check them out, guys. I'll be sure and leave a link below so you can do that. Like I said, this is a first. I've seen their cases on phones, but as far as tablets, this is a first. Cosmo iPad 9.7 2018 edition. Go by and check it out. Like I said, I'll leave that link below so you can do that. Hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.